Hi, my name's Stuart Rudd and I'm one of the tutors at the Sussex Business School, and in this video what I'd like to discuss is how you manage high maintenance employees. High maintenance employees tend to be very time consuming for a manager, and they will tend to contact you at the least appropriate time in the middle of stuff. But they will touch base with you and it feels like it's the right thing to do for them. What they're actually doing is they're looking to seek praise, that they're doing a good job. They're also looking to seek the fact that reassurance. So you're going to return the praise, you're in the middle of doing stuff and you just want to carry on. So you're going to reassure and they're going to walk away feeling much better as a consequence. So that's one of the things that they will do. In actual fact, when you need to give them constructive feedback back, they won't like it. They will find that criticism and take it personally. They're not great at doing that, in dealing with that situation. So those are some of the pitfalls of working with a high maintenance employee. There are some tactics and some tips that you can go to manage that situation. And the first thing that I would do in this situation is ask the right questions when they come to see you. So diagnose the situation as quickly as possible, get to the point, and at this point now you can start progressing, you can move them forward and they look for you for reassurance again, but you can get to the point much quicker. Most important here, I think, what you will notice is that these type of employees lack confidence, which is why they ask for your reassurance. So at this point, one of the things I suggest you do is distance yourself. Don't be too on hand. Try and instill confidence in them, instill their confidence so they become a bit more independent in the way that they're working. And that independence should free up your time, but it also should instill their confidence, and at that point they become more productive and they're less need of reassurance all the time. Important as a manager in this situation with these guys that your support is tailored to their needs. So be agile. There's no right or wrong way to approach this, but that absolutely is an agile approach that will support their reassurance concerns and their need for praise. So at this point, what I suggest you do is make small incremental changes which will make a huge difference to them, and that huge difference to them will then instill that confidence, and hopefully they become more independent and much more valued to you and the team, and stop asking and interrupting you in that critical moment when you're doing stuff yourself. So, in summary, what I recommend is, first thing to do is recognise the warning signs of they need praise, they need reassurance, but ask the right questions. Then distance yourself to instill confidence, then tailor your support with an agile approach to suit their needs. Thanks for watching.